Mm. Wow. Okay, so I guess this can move it. Alrighty. Let me see if I'm on live now. Alright guys, welcome. Welcome to our next live. So this video, I'll be showing you guys basically the new look for Hankox. As you can see, we're currently in the trading platform. And I'm on a demo account. So yeah, basically the platform, they make some changes to it. Looks really good. I really like it. As you can see right here, this was to your left. Now they got their logo right here, and also the name of the company. Right here, you got your balance, equity. As you can see right here, demo, account number with the Hankox logo also right here, the H. Click right here. You can see we got settings, your reports, manage alert, dark theme. So this right here, you can change the theme to white. But I prefer the dark one, so we're going to stick to the dark for now. And then right here, we can log out from their account. Here we got indicators. So previously, there was another indicator. So now they have a lot. So you got the moving average, the exponential moving average, EMA. And they got the weighted moving average also, and so on. See, a lot. Then right here, we got the time frames. You can switch 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Here we got different type of candles, OHLC, the line here, and the Hankox candle. This right here, we got our section where we can choose tools to work with. As you can see, these are the tools right here. Now, I don't really use the trading platform to mark charts up, so it's not really important. But we love the platform. As you can see right here, we've got our different instruments. We've got Forex. This is all, we've got crypto, indices, and commodities. Right down here, we still got open position, pending, close, unrealized P&L. Got also close positions here. Love it, guys. I'm really loving it. Powered by ACT Trader. So that's the thing. ACT Trader is a powerful platform. It's a similar to well, can I believe I was recording without a mic? Okay, let me. Okay. All right. Okay, so I was just recording without audio, so I don't know what they're talking. All right, so like I was saying, so yes, Hankox literally revised the trading platform. Basically, they revamped. No, they revamped it, but it's not everything they change, but they change most things on it, and they also add some new stuff on it that really makes sense, and it also amplifies the way you trade, the way you execute with speed and all that. So yeah, so this is a platform right here. So we got the Hankox sign right here. We got the logo right here. We got a logo right here. We got the balance right here. As you can see, this is a demo account. So if this was a live account, you would have seen right here said live. We got the equity right here. And this we have the instrument. So whatever you see right here, that's what currently on the platform for trading, or you can see the price action right here. So AD CAD you can see right here also. Then we got our sales, we got buy, we got market, limit, stop, triggered price, quantity lots. And this right here is where you select your stop loss. See, stop loss up. So once you click stop loss, you can see where it's gonna pop up automatically right here. So see, stop loss. One. So I'm just gonna execute order on this. So let's say we're gonna buy. This next one I like with the new platform also. You can switch here to one click. See, it said one click trade. So I can say, okay, then I'm gonna want Forex USD CAD, right? No, AUD CAD. So if I say, okay, I'm gonna buy AUD CAD because I like with the way AUD CAD look, I'm gonna execute the order, right? So we click sell. Order has been placed successfully with order ID. That pops up immediately. This is what I like with Hankox also. It is very transparent. I really love that. Right? So see, we click that right here. Now, if you look on the screen, you can see where it says sell at 0.01. Right? So there's no stop loss yet. So now we're gonna add stop loss to it. So we're gonna go bam, click this. Here comes our stop loss, and then we take it up. Right? Now I'll execute a sell, right? Execute a sell. So TP. Now, this thing I realized with the platform, guys, so far. This is the only problem I've realized with this platform so far. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I am unable to move the chart. See that? See? So now you could hold the chart and move it. I'm unable to do that. I could put the cursor right here, over the cursor over this and scroll up or down. I'm also unable to do that also. And then the next thing I'm seeing with it is that there is no movement of the candles. I don't know if that's a glitch with Hankox. I honestly don't know, but let me see. So stop loss, and then that's the next thing now. So I execute that sell, right? So you know the stop loss should be above your order. TP should be below, and now I'm seeing here. See, so I don't know what's going on with this. But for me, like I said, I don't really execute my trades based on what the Hankox price action is saying. I basically use trading view. So even though I execute right here, yes, I have to put a stop loss right here, but we have already predefined our stop loss and take profit on trading view, right? So we can also trade stop loss right here, and we can also click this for take profit, and you can see take profit comes up. Now this is something new that they also did. So whenever you move your take profit, you can see where the money moves, which, but this, for me, I think this can be troublesome for especially young traders or persons who are trading directly to make a profit, right? So you're gonna push this and see where it said 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 252. This can play with the psychology. So they use to just let you move your TP, but now they add the figure to it. So that's why you're gonna make it if the take profit is right here, and if the take profit is right here. So that's, for me, that I don't like that. Some person might like it, but I don't like that. I rather see the percentage to say, okay, then I'm risking 20% to go for 40%, right? Now they have something new right here. We can also add comment, like you can say I took a loss today. All right, that's what I like. Add comment. So they make it more user friendly to me, basically. And then what I also love again about the new system is that you can ask the AI anything right here. You can say, okay, then AI, what am I doing today wrong? Why did I take this loss? What can I do better next time? So see, it said ask AI, took you automatically to your loading analytics. Uh, all right, so I don't want to go right here yet. All right, I know. So this, I like this. Like I said, trend stable, zero trades execute, no PNN data. Okay. Top opportunity account ready for first trading strategy implementation. Yeah, I don't really understand what's going on here, but it's basically saying that you can ask AI whatever you want to ask AI. Okay. These remain the same. This is where you can edit your position also. See, once you click edit right here, it automatically comes up with TP and stop loss. You see that? Once you get that in, you can then click modify trade. Okay, so it said wrong stop or limit price market rate. Okay, so let us do it again. I want to see how we're going to get the platform to adjust our TP and take profits. Okay, okay, let's click modify again. Okay, so take profit level has been added to your trade, which is pretty cool. So each time you execute or you give the platform an instruction, it also let you know what it just did, which makes sense to me also. I like that. Open position, I got one open, one pending. Now, this is the thing I've noticed this platform did also. So it said pending. Oh, so I guess where you put your take profit, the system takes it also as a pending order, which kind of makes sense because if you put in a buy, your take profit is basically where you're pending to get out of the market and also where your stop loss. But I don't know why they do that. But when I saw they said pending one, I thought I had a pending order, but no. So yeah, I don't know why they did that, but yeah, pretty cool still. I like Hankox, and there's the next thing I also realized that they have a funded account also, funded opportunity where you can get funded through them. I think the max account is 200K, which is not bad. So I'm gonna look at that also. But this is the main thing that strikes me with the new platform. Let me see if I can get to that. I think it's right here. This is manage account. One thing I wish they had done with this platform is to allow you to access a wallet, like a Bitcoin wallet. So whenever you're trading, you can move like a specific amount. Oh, let me close this. So whenever you're trading, and so for instance, you have $1,000 account, right? And if you're trading and you make like $500, and say, okay, then I don't want to risk my profit for this week. So you can then take $500 and put in a wallet. I think TradeLocker do that. I wish Hankox have something, where they could allow you to remove a specific amount of Bitcoin to a wallet within the platform, where you can separate that profit from the your overall live account. So if you make $1,500, you can take $500 and say, okay, then put this aside in my wallet. So you'll be trading only the $500, the $1,000 that you would have started with. So if they could have done that, then that would make sense. Like I said, TradeLocker do it. Maybe Hankox probably do that in the long run. I'm trying to get to. Oh, there we go. All right, so this is where really got me excited. Voila. So now, what I love with this is that it breaks down your trade in a systematical way. where you can have a total understanding of what's going on, what's your win rate like, your total P&L, trades that you took over the period. See this right here said 1 year. You can go for a day. See that? So you go for a day, right? So see, you said total P&L for a day. So you lost 1.1K P&L, and that's your total P&L. This is what you lost for today. Your win rate was 0 because obviously you didn't win anything. Trades you took was 2, profit factor 0. Maximum drawdown was $535, right? Sharp to ratio. I don't know what sharp to ratio means. I'd have to look that up. But I love this trading calendar, and this for the month of April. But this is where you get interested, guys. Look at this right here. Profit day is 3. Last day is 12. So this basically saying you got 3 profit days. And if you look at it, you can see that it's literally 3. So you got 2 Wednesday, and then you got 1 Sunday. Now, what I also like about it is that you can basically look at the month and see when you get your best trades in. So if you're seeing mostly green on Wednesdays or, a few on Thursdays, and then you're seeing a lot of greens on Monday, it simply means that the trading system or the algorithm realize that on Mondays you have better trades. And if you're seeing red all day for Tuesday when you trade, or probably 2 days. So say for instance you take 2 trades per day, right? And you're seeing that every time you trade on Tuesdays, it's all red. However, on Wednesdays, it's green. And you're seeing a consistency of that for March, April, May, June. It simply means that you're executing your trades better on Wednesday. Could have mean that your strategy basically aligns with Wednesday more than Tuesday. So that's what I love with this. And you can see right away it said today. So this is basically the analysis for today. And overall, I can do 1 month. You got 3 days. I'm loving this, guys, because in most cases, if you want to track your record, you have to pay for additional software such as TradeZilla. And there are a few more platforms out there. I can't remember them off my head right now. But yeah. So kudos to Hankox for doing this. I really love it. You can see right there we got the equity curve, we got equity balance, P&L, realized and unrealized, and you got lots. And you can see right here where it fluctuates. You can see March 28th, I was peaking at April. See that? In April early. Take a dive, up, dive down again, and you can see where I'm sitting low. L score stable. Low, stable. So I'm at 60. Right? No trading activity recorded in the last 12 months. This is freaking awesome, guys. I love it. Breakdown, you can see that. Now, I've used Hankox in a long while for live trading. I was messing with 1xTrade, which is also not a bad platform. They're on Meta5. And Meta5 gives you what you're seeing right here, basically. Meta5 literally breaks down your performance just like this. So this was really a good step for Hankox to take it to this level where you can literally look at your performance for the month, for the year, for the first quarter, for 6 months, whenever, for a day, or even 2, or for the week, which is good. So for the new persons, you can basically track your record using Hankox. So I would definitely recommend, even though I recommend it to most of the persons in my group right now to use Hankox. So if you guys watch this video, I know you're going to be excited to see that you can keep track of your trades, see when you take a loss, see when you win. The only thing I wish this platform had was somewhere that you could, like, literally, let me see if I can do that. If they had somewhere where you could literally, like, click on the day and then write or make a statement, or account for all you felt while taking that trade, that would be super awesome. But I don't think Hankox is going to go to the extreme to also give you the opportunity to log or journal your trade, right? But this is not bad, because what you can do, you can journal in a notebook, or you can create a spreadsheet to journal your trades differently from what you're getting here, which is your red days and your green days. But this to me is extremely good. I really love it. So you can literally see what you have accomplished for 2026 if you were trading with this broker for 2026 at the end of this year, or in January when the year closes out. Loving this Hankox, good job. Super awesome. I love this also. You can see the margin, use margin, free margin, unrealized gross P&L. Loving this, guys. Loving this. Loving it. Manage account settings. You can reach the support from here. And this is the next thing that you couldn't have done on the trading platform. So you could do it on the portal, but here you can now reach out the support from here. See, you can go live chat and you can send an email basically if you got an issue with a trading a trade that you took, or you're seeing where you probably was unfairly get taken out of the market by some means, right? So not bad. Here you can set up your different watch lists. You got BMO FX watch list. This is a mobile watch list on default. You can create new watch lists right here. Super awesome, guys. I love it. I really love with this new platform that Hankox came up with. And you can also change your colors for background, grid, axis text, axis border, crosshair, candle bodies, week, and so forth. All right, which is super awesome. Nice and smooth on the platform. Very clean, as you can see. It's not too crowded. I'm really loving it. I'm excited to start using back Hankox again, to be honest. And if you have it on your phone, I think last week I saw where this was on the phone, right? And I'm like, why am I not seeing it on the desktop? And so said, I saw it on it this morning. So I guess what they did was to get it sorted out over the weekend. You see, you also have it on your cell phone, right? So if you got the ACT Trader app for Hankox on your cell phone, you can also access all of this information on the cell phone. So love it, really, really in love with this. All right. Now let's go over to let me go to the portal so you guys can see where they have this. Funded prop firm, and here we go, guys. It's called a few pips, and it's literally controlled by Hankox. Now Hankox is based in Dubai, and to me, most companies that are based in Dubai, what I love about those companies is the transparency that they have and the quick response that they give you in regards to reaching out to support or having an issue and reaching out to them. The transparency with those companies is so spot on. I guess it's the culture of Dubai. They are very business savvy. I wouldn't say honest because everything I got unscrupulous people, but I think most companies in Dubai tend to be more transparent than a lot of companies across other regions, especially in the US, because most of those countries are infiltrated by scammers and stuff. But Dubai, I think they are more grounded when it comes to being transparent and to give you results. So here we go. We have few pips. I literally just saw this also on the platform. You can see right away it says start a journey with up to 200,000. So they do got a 200,000 account, and I think they start from 5,000. And they got a spring break sale going right now. See? It's a spring break. Yeah. Spring sale. What is still spring break? 50% off, which is not bad. We can see right here where they got active one. No, the fact that this is new, right? So we see where it said active evaluations is 1,000 plus. So they don't have a lot of persons using the platform. So far, it's pretty new based on what I'm seeing. I don't know the exact date. I probably do some research on that to see the exact date when they started. But look like they've been out for probably I'll say a month or two. But I've literally just seen this yesterday on the platform. What blow my mind about this, right, is where they got so they got few pips instant. So this is when you have no challenge, you just go directly with a funded account and you trade. But there are some rules that govern these opportunities. So each opportunity you get, it may sound a little easier, but the stipulations that come with it, most of them can be very tricky, right? So they're walking on eggshells or glass. We have to be extremely careful. They got few pips, one step. So this is when you only do one phase to get the funded. You got 2 steps. This is only when you do 2 steps. Now they have 3 steps, which I kind of like. I don't know, I like a challenge. So if I was to get one, I would do the 3 steps because as you can see, these are different phases that you have to pass. So phase 1 basically said 8% first, then phase 2 you make 4%, phase 3 you make 4%. Now, for me, that's kind of a little iffy to me because if I was doing this, I would do four, no, eight, four, and then two or three phase. So I think this one will probably change after trader starts saying, oh, why are you going to give us the same percentage to do phase three, which makes sense. Why not say eight, four, and then two, right? Yeah. Daily loss 5%. Most, if not all, broke prop firm companies are now doing 5% for daily loss and maximum drawdown 8%. Right? So this is not bad for 200k, as you can see right here. 200k is the same thing. So for 8 percent drawdown, that's like 16,000, which is extremely good. I don't know, but 50% off is going to probably like change on some dollars if they're gonna put tax on it. Because most of these platforms, I think they already run it off with tax. Most of them don't charge no tax because they're offshore. But yeah, looks pretty good. If you want to do this or get funded with few pips, I guess you can definitely read the rules. Rules are gonna be, I think they're gonna be a little low. I think I did went over them last night. You see, keep scrolling, take you directly to the rules that they have to govern. And like I said earlier, you can see headquarters Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So they are based basically in the Dubai space, right? Like I said, I've been trading with Hankox, I think like 2 years now. I've never had a problem with them when it comes to paying you out. Not a bad broker. So I'm expecting to get the same thing from their prop firm, right? So should be safe. I've never used it before. I've never purchased it. I've never tried it. The next thing that I wish they had in regards to their trading platform for the funded account, I wish they had given you the opportunity to use Meta 5. But here, I think this is their platform. Let me see. I think I saw it earlier. Take a trade such as fair transparency. Yeah, I remember that. I think they're an ACT trader for the platform to trade. Yeah, I think that's where they are, which is not bad. So yeah. So there you go, guys. Few pips, not bad. Like the background, like the love the green, 50% off. They never said how long this will last, but if it's spring, I think it's probably take it to end of May or the end of April. But I haven't getting any like prompt to say hey, and this week, which is the end of April. But yeah, love it. Let me know what you guys think about this platform. You can also check it out. So once you go in your live account or the portal, you look to your left and you're gonna see where it said funded prop. You can literally click on that and it will take you directly to their funded prop firm. So yes guys, so basically that's it. Like I said, pretty decent. You can't get no better with Hankox. I definitely recommend this broker to anybody without a shadow of a doubt. I've done a lot of withdrawal with them. Never have any problem and they always come through with the withdrawal. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this live, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, so peace out.